Okay, so far we've just been grouping digits in groups of 3 for binary to octal, octal to binary, and groups of 4 for hexadecimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, and decimal to BCD, and vice versa. This is our real first conversion from hex to decimal because it's going to involve more than just grouping. Now if we look at a number like D4 here, the D is really 13, but it's 13 times 16 to the 1. So what you're going to find is that each digit here, this is 16 to the zeros place, this is a 16 to the ones, and if we had more digits, it would be 16 to the second place and 16 to the third power over here. Now we're going to be working pretty much just with char, which is 8 bits. So that means 13 times 16 to the 1 plus 4 times 16. When you work out the number, it's 212, and it's that simple. If we want to go decimal to hex, what you're going to do is take 212 and divide it by 16. 16 goes into 21 once with 16 remainder, and then you have a 5. You bring down the 2 to get 52. 3 16s is 48. And so the way you work this out is when you're working with numbers from 0 to 255, 16 goes into this, the quotient becomes the first digit, which in our case is D, and the remainder becomes the rightmost digit, which in our case is 4. But every time you do a conversion from decimal to hex, you always have to divide by 16 twice.